Parents with a child in the car gave chase and flew into a ditch. Chevrolet, in which the police decided not to leave undestroyed parts, and the pursuit of a stolen GMC Yukon. On February 23, 2024, at approximately 8:52 p.m., I, Trooper Walker, was traveling eastbound on Highway 412 near Sonora Road. While traveling eastbound, I conducted a computer check on the license plate of a blue GMC Terrain. It showed to be expired in April of 2023.
Terrain. Show me 1037, we're southbound on Sonora Road. He's 8 miles an hour.
The driver conducted a right turn onto Sonora Road from Highway 412, traveling southbound. I activated my emergency lights to conduct a traffic stop on the vehicle. Once my emergency lights were activated, the suspect vehicle immediately began to flee. I notified dispatch I was in pursuit. While traveling southbound on Sonora Road, the suspect vehicle reaches speeds over 80 miles per hour in a 45 mile per hour zone.
Which way we're going to say speed up. Yep.
Wrecked out right here.
The vehicle continued to travel southbound on Sonora Road, which eventually turned into Haberton Road. Corporal Elkins was sitting at the intersection of Haberton Road and Sonora Road. Corporal Elkins began to call the pursuit. Shortly after Corporal Elkins became secondary in the pursuit, the suspect began to negotiate a left-hand curve but ran off the roadway to the right. Once the vehicle left the roadway, the vehicle collided with a tree and turned over onto the passenger side of the vehicle. With the vehicle rolling over, it caused all occupants to be trapped inside the vehicle. First out of the car was a 4-year-old child who was not in a child seat. All occupants were cleared by medical staff on scene of the crash. A child seat was located inside the vehicle, but it was not properly secured inside the vehicle.
Everybody else in the car is saying that you're driving, so right now you're shit out of luck, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in the court of law. Your right to attorney, if you can't afford an attorney, will be appointed to you at no cost to you. Do you understand your rights?
Yeah,
you shouldn't be in this position anyways. You get what I'm saying? So I'm not out here to have fun with you. You want to argue at court. I'm not going to argue with you out here. I'm telling you what you're under arrest for. Do you understand?
On February 23, 2024, at approximately 1 a.m., Troop 8 Communications broadcasted a request for assistance from North Little Rock PD in a pursuit. I, Trooper Jackson Shoemate, had just finished a traffic stop at I-30 East before I-530 South. We were informed that North Little Rock PD had passed I-30 West at Roosevelt Road. I observed North Little Rock PD in pursuit on the other side of the interstate and used the South Interchange turnaround to assist. I was able to catch up to the suspect vehicle, a blue Chevrolet Malibu bearing Arkansas license plates, at I-30 West at Geyer Springs Road. The suspect vehicle took the Geyer Springs Road exit, and I was able to perform a TVI on the exit ramp. A felony takedown was performed on the driver and the vehicle. Jerry Irving was placed in North Little Rock PD's custody without further incident. It all started when, while patrolling on an area, a police officer noticed a GMC Yukon that was traveling significantly slower than the flow of traffic. After checking the license plate on the computer, it turned out that the plates did not belong to the vehicle. The vehicle did not respond to the lights, and after turning on the audible lights, the vehicle attempted to flee.
630 West, 6B, Arkansas 079, Zebra Sam King, 07.
Before the GMC made it to the city streets, The decision was made to stop it at all costs, and so began the attempted pit maneuver.
Patent place. It is right here.
Wrong record. Patent place.
Byron Drive, coming back to John Bear. TBI John Bear on 630. He's getting back on the road. John Barrow coming over 630 now.
In one attempt, the police officer's bumper caught on the suspect's car, and the Charger's brakes were not strong enough to stop the GMC. Realizing that this was not going to work, the cop unhooks himself from the suspect and almost immediately makes another attempt.
I'm not even gonna coming up with better.
630 west, another TBI. Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Stay right there!
This time, it was successful, and the suspects were apprehended.
My knee hurt, bro. Oh, I tell you, my knee hurt. If y'all move the car, I can get on.
Keep getting your butt back that way.
On February 22nd, 2024, at 2017 hours, I, Trooper Weatherly, attempted to conduct a traffic stop on a black 2006 Ford Explorer. I was traveling west on Interstate 40 near the 152A exit in the number 1 lane. This vehicle was traveling in the number 2 lane beside me. I observed the driver was a younger black male with short hair leaning over the steering wheel, not wearing a seatbelt.
TBI.
The subject ran up a hill on the left side of the roadway into a thicket. I cleared the vehicle and chased the suspect up the hill. I was unable to determine which direction the suspect went when I got to the base of the hill. Additional officers responded to the area and established a perimeter. A search of the area was conducted, but was unsuccessful in locating the suspect. Thank you for your time, and have a great week.